Hi friends, today I will like to assist program. The program name is area of rectangle. So before that, I want to tell you something. I will explain everything in that program. How you can how you can take input from the user, and how you can build the logic, and what will the logic in that program. So uh, just I'm going to write a program. So before that, I have to create one class. So I will click on my package. So that package name is com.app. So I will click right click and new, then class. So I will give a class name as a rectangle. Rectangle. Okay, and I will select the main method as well. Then I will click on finish. So uh, the class has been created. So now what I will do, as we know, area of rectangle formula is length into breadth. So based on this, I will write a program. So first, I have to take a length value from the user and breadth as well. So first, what I will do, first I will write a class name scanner equal to new scanner system dot in. Okay, then it is showing the error. Why? Because in the scanner class I didn't input in this class. That's why. So I have to input scanner class in this class. The scanner class is available under the java.util package. So just click on control space and click enter. So now error has been removed. What I will do, I will like to my text message system out dot print ln. Okay, what I will like enter a length value. Okay, then then I will take a one variable. Whatever the user will give a input, that will be stored under this integer value. So the scanner dot next int close. Then I will like the other text message for the breadth print enter a breadth value. Okay, then I will take another variable breadth for a breadth. So whatever user will give a variable that will store under this. So next int. Okay, now what I will do, I will take another variable. It was again error. Now error has been removed. So I will take another third variable that will be sum. So length into breadth, whatever the sum it will come, whatever sum will come, that will store under the sum. So sum variable equal to length into breadth. Okay. Now I will print length into breadth. Okay. System dot out dot print ln. Now I will write a area of rectangle plus icon. Then I will write a sum. Okay. Now I first I have to save this program. Then I will run this program. So program run successfully. They didn't give any error message, yeah, compilation or runtime error. So they are asking about value or length value. So first I will give a length value at 6, and then they are asking about the breadth. So I will give a breadth of 4. So area of rectangle it is 4. So and I want to tell you one thing. If you guys didn't watch a previous video, so you should watch those videos for the fresher who want to learn how can write a program, how they can take in from the user. So in that program I have already explained, and on my channel there is a multiple programs, so they can practice daily basis, and they can write a program itself. It will be good for the fresher, and they can build the logic. So those things, those things, it will best for the fresher, and I will make a video for the experienced person also. So gradually I will make a video. Now I'm making a video for the freshers. So that's all. So thank you, guys.